Ethereum is preparing for a revival, back to its recent all-time highs. In fact, most of the digital currencies bounced back on Monday this week, regaining ground lost during a weekend sell-off that was sparked by renewed signs of a Chinese crackdown on the emerging sector. Bitcoin was last up 7% at approximately $37,600, erasing losses of 7.5% from a day earlier, but still down by more than 40% from last month's record high. Second largest cryptocurrency, Ether, jumped nearly 19% to $2,491 after slumping more than 8% on Sunday to near a 2-month low. Yet it too has fallen by almost half from a peak hit earlier this month. But what is the most recent news that has shocked Ethereum investors? How things will change for Ethereum in future? And what is the realistic price prediction for Ethereum? Let's find out more in today's video. Hi guys, and welcome back to Investing Few. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Make sure to do so if you want all the latest news on cryptocurrency. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Insane news for Ethereum. In the past week, policymakers have stepped up their response to the popularity and volatility of cryptocurrencies. Now, a leaked report from Wall Street giant Goldman Sachs has given Ethereum the second largest cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of around $250 billion compared to Bitcoin's $660 billion. The soaring popularity of so-called decentralized finance, using cryptocurrency technology to recreate traditional financial instruments such as loans and interest and designed to replace the role of banks with blockchain-based protocols, has helped Ethereum surge over the last year. Non-fungible tokens, largely issued on Ethereum's blockchain to digitize art and collectibles, have added another use case. The leaked report. The leaked report by Goldman Sachs has given Ethereum a high chance of overtaking Bitcoin as a dominant store of value, calling it the Amazon of information. Volatility in the crypto market has been high for the past week. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies plummeted, wiping $1.3 trillion from the aggregate crypto market price. Goldman Sachs analysts wrote that, in the light of the importance of actual applications in value store determination, Ether is likely to overtake Bitcoin as its predominant store of value. ETH scaling heights. Ethereum has helped rise over last year, with the so-called decentralized finance gaining prominence using cryptocurrency technology to replace banks with blockchain-based protocols and replace conventional financing instruments such as loans and interest. Another application case is the non-fungible tokens, often distributed on Ethereum's blockchain to digitize art and collectibles. The Goldman Sachs analysts wrote that the Ethereum ecosystem embraces smart contracts and offers a means of creating new applications. Outperforming Bitcoin. In the last 12 months, the price of Ethereum has outperformed the price of Bitcoin, with Ethereum added about 1,000% compared to the 300% price of Bitcoin, even considering the crash of the price of the last week. In the meantime, some believe long-awaited updates to Ethereum, which began at the end of last year and aimed at helping the Ethereum scope and reducing its high costs of transactions, could allow the Ether price to reach unprecedented heights. Contrary to Bitcoin, Ethereum is not just a token of value, which powers all use cases developed over the ETH blockchain, point to DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized apps. Even though Ether maintains its position as the most frequently used blockchain globally, this has caused problems in the past. The consumption of energy needed to produce coins means that it is not sustainable. Ethereum uses proof of work to keep the network running, like Bitcoin. Complex technology calculations involve the use of an army of computers that consume excess energy. Experts estimate that the use of Ethereum in Libya is 45,000 gigawatts. Losing the energy is, however, by design, and this disincentivizes people who want to game the system, as it eats into the potential income. It appears that for crypto investors, the worst parts of the last week are behind us. The potential Chinese and US crypto crackdowns are no longer driving down prices, and eco-friendliness is becoming a standard crypto conversation topic. But with looking to more eco-friendly options, the coin is on the mend. Ethereum price predictions expect the coin to regain traction and look towards its old highs. Ethereum is cooking up ways to appease the newer crowd of more eco-conscious crypto investors. In doing that, co-founder Vitalik Buterin is on the verge of a gigantic reduction in the blockchain's power consumption. Ethereum, like Bitcoin, uses a proof-of-work algorithm. In using proof-of-work, miners must basically run mining rigs around the clock. Massive warehouses full of computer hardware are a huge sap of power. It's a drain of power that is so large, in fact, that it has driven crypto proponents like Elon Musk away from proof-of-work coins. Buterin is making clear his intentions to move Ethereum from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake, a far less power-consumptive algorithm for mining. The shift will, according to Buterin, lead to the blockchain's energy use falling a whopping 99%. Ethereum price predictions. Where can ETH go from here? Ethereum is looking to break out once again and find its former self. Price predictions largely believe that ETH can do that. The Ascent is reporting a prediction for Ethereum, and they plead the case that the coin could surpass Bitcoin for crypto dominance. Citing its smart contracts, DeFi capabilities, and coming upgrades, a case can be made that Ethereum has a much greater future utility than Bitcoin, and will likely surpass it. Investor Place's William White reported last week on analysts' attitude on Ethereum. Many had suggested a level in the ballpark of $3,000 to $3,500, which it has fallen well below. This doesn't mean Ethereum is down for the count, but it does suggest that the coin will be a slower mover as it climbs toward its former $4,300 glory. Price prediction outlets are falling in line with this belief. Outlets like Digital Coin Price and Wallet Investor are not counting on ETH shooting past $4,000 again in the near future. Will the ETH price go up? Anyone who claims to give you an answer to this question with absolute clarity does not appreciate the true nature of the crypto markets. This month, we have learned what one tweet from a big name, in this case Elon Musk, can do to the price. So, with crypto, nothing is ever set in stone. For this very reason, many decide they cannot deal with the stress that comes with trading crypto. This has the potential to change considerably in the future, but the truth is the price of Ether is still heavily tied to the price of Bitcoin, BTC. When the price of the world's largest coin surges, ETH usually follows suit. Similarly, when the BTC price tanks, as it did last week, it drags on the entire market, including ETH. While for the entirety of the year, Ether has outperformed BTC, it does not mean the price can live without the success or stability of Bitcoin. We are, in many people's perceptions, experiencing an altcoin season, which occurs when Bitcoin takes a back seat and all the other coins increase in price. For this to happen, though, the stability of BTC is needed. A small decline might even help the rise of an Ether run, but nothing like to the extent we saw last week. Can Ethereum reach $10,000? Before this shakeout of the market, Ether had spent months building good levels of price consolidation at around the $2,000 level. This allowed the coin to keep setting new all-time highs over 9 days consecutively earlier this month. The price eventually peaked at $4,362. At this point, it was almost half the value of Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization. Therefore, if Bitcoin doubled in price to somewhere around the $100,000 mark, which has been widely touted for a long time now within crypto circles, it is difficult to believe that Ether, at the very least, would not double in value. Some investors think that between $7,000 and $8,000 is a more reasonable prediction for the end of this bull cycle, while others think these predictions are incredibly bearish, and this will be the cycle that sees Ether flip Bitcoin. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts about Ethereum's future? I would love to hear your responses in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.